When it comes to surveying instruments and their accessories, Mahipalpur in Delhi is a hub for dealers who specialize in providing high-quality products. These survey instrument accessory dealers in Mahipalpur offer a wide range of products and services to cater to the needs of surveyors and professionals in the field. From tripod stands and leveling rods to prisms and GPS receivers, these dealers have it all. One of the prominent survey instrument accessory dealers in Mahipalpur is Scon Design. Known for their expertise and reliability, Scon Design has been serving the industry for several years. They have built a strong reputation for providing top-notch products that meet the highest standards of quality and precision. Whether you are looking for basic accessories or advanced surveying instruments, Scon Design has a comprehensive range to choose from. In addition to offering a wide range of products, these survey instrument accessory dealers in Mahipalpur also provide valuable services to their customers. They have knowledgeable staff who can assist you in selecting the right equipment based on your specific requirements. They can also provide guidance on how to use the instruments effectively and efficiently. This ensures that you make the most out of your investment and achieve accurate results in your surveying projects. Another advantage of buying from these dealers is that they offer competitive prices. They understand the importance of cost-effectiveness in the field of surveying and strive to provide affordable options without compromising on quality. This makes them a preferred choice for professionals who are looking for reliable products at reasonable prices. Furthermore, these dealers in Mahipalpur maintain a strong inventory of survey instrument accessories, ensuring that their customers have easy access to the products they need. When it comes to dealers who specialize in offering high-quality products, Mahipalpur in Delhi is a hotspot for surveying equipment and their accessories. To meet the demands of surveyors and other experts in the sector, these retailers in Mahipalpur offer a wide variety of goods and services. These retailers carry everything from prisms and GPS receivers to tripod stands and leveling rods. Scon Design is one of the well-known suppliers of survey equipment accessories in Mahipalpur. Scon Design has been working in the sector for a while, and they are renowned for their knowledge and dependability. They have a solid reputation for offering top-notch goods that adhere to the strictest requirements for precision and quality. Scon Design offers a wide selection of items, whether you're seeking for simple accessories or sophisticated surveying tools. These dealers in survey instrument accessories in Mahipalpur offer a wide variety of goods as well as helpful services to their clients. They have knowledgeable employees who can help you choose the appropriate equipment based on your unique needs. Additionally, they can offer advice on how to operate the tools successfully and efficiently. This guarantees that your surveying initiatives will produce accurate findings and that you will get the most out of your investment. The fact that these dealers offer affordable prices is another benefit of doing business with them. They work hard to offer cost-effective choices without sacrificing quality, since they recognize how important cost-effectiveness is in the industry of surveying. They are therefore a popular option for professionals looking for high-quality goods at affordable pricing. They guarantee that experts have access to the appropriate equipment for precise and effective surveying.